Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you up to today, Radia?
What?
What are you up to today?
Monkey paws.
Okay.
Yes! Yes!
And you gonna help Didi? Yes?
Yes, Chili!
Yes, yes.
Yes! So she can see. She looks a bit funny with my glasses on. Wow!
Wow.
Yeah.
So what are you making now, this one?
Mediterranean yogurt dip.
Mediterranean yogurt dip. Okay, you gotta take yogurt first.
Give me a spoon, please. I'm not going to take that melted one.
Yeah, take the thick one.
This much?
A bit more.
I'll put this much?
Yeah. Yeah, you put it on more. And what's that? Waterfall.
Horse tag.
Hello.
We just
Bit
put
more,
it.
bit more.
Oh man!
Yes.
Stir it up.
What is it?
Garlic.
So normally goes with the dill. We don't have dill. Good girl.
Put that together. Like that. More?
It's lovely. That should go on. Sprinkle on top of the yogurt over there.
Sprinkle my garlic. It looks like we're sprinkling glitter.
Let's put some salt in there.
That's enough.
Now give it a mix now. Okay.
Mix. Mm-mm.
So that's all good. So now we need to make that chili butter for that.
This
Yeah, a
one.
little bit more.
Okay. This too.
Yeah, that should be enough. Alright, now you just need to add some paprika in.
Is this paprika?
Yeah, the other one.
This red one?
Yeah.
It looks like orange or red.
Sprinkle here.
This enough?
Yeah, that's enough. Chili flakes in there.
Okay. I'll put this much.
You want to add some butter?
Mm-hmm. I need a wee bit more.
Yeah.
Or something.
Now you're gonna poach your egg now. Put this one on the side. You poach our egg. Alright, you're gonna put 1 spoon white vinegar over here.
Okay, where's my soup spoon?
Give me out of those.
There.
Yeah, good girl. And put it on top of the towel over there. Let the water drain. Now you grab that.
Why did you eat that?
Put the rest of the butter on top of it.
Yeah, Papa.
Yeah. You want to try? So good. Wow.